Hi, this is Susan with GetYourNettingGear.com. You might have seen the video that I did, which talks about a system that is mostly automated, meaning that it is done by computer systems that can generate more leads for businesses. This employs two things, the automation aspect as well as using the power of Power Partners, meaning that if I'm out at a business event and I meet someone, it's good to promote my business, but also my Power Partners businesses as well, because if they do the same for me, each of us will generate more leads and a potential business from that. So what I'm going to focus on right now is the aspect of when you leave their business card or your business card, and also an oh by the way leave behind, what that would look like. So this is an example of a card that we might leave with as a leave behind. We kept it pretty simple because to list all of our businesses and all of our logos, etc., would be too complicated. We wanted something that would be memorable. And this may look familiar to some of you. It's actually derived from the Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. Promotional piece. You can see how similar it is. And the reason we did this was because we wanted something catchy. The reason we use this image is because to me it says superhero. So it says a lot without having much verbiage, and also is kind of memorable. The other thing is our logo is taken after the Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. badge in the back. And then the last thing is on the business card back we have our logo, as well as a list of problems that we solve. We focused on problems that a business might have versus services they might need, because we think it's easier for business to identify areas where they're either not sure what's going on, losing money, spending too much time on something. And then once we identify the problem, then we can introduce them to the businesses that can solve those problems. So here again is a checklist of things, just an introduction. The most important stuff for them to learn is going to be on the website, which they can get at through the QR code or also the URL callthebest.biz. Once they go to that website, they'll see something like this, where again it's just an introduction about if you have a business, here are some things that you might want to know in order to save money, make more sales, save time, etc. Then we'll have a list of all the businesses here. This is just a start, but I'm going to show you a couple. And then on the right, again, sometimes the businesses aren't sure where to start, so we're going to have a survey where they can just check off a few answers of things that they might know, and then point them in the direction of where they can get help on that. Again, on these profiles, you will see the same strategy of finding a problem and offering a solution. So in my case, I have, do you have a website? The problem is it's not as effective as it might be. Give them a few things to think about. I have a short video that will also do that, because a lot of times people don't want to read, they'd rather be told. So a good 2 to 3 minute video as an introduction to the products and or services that you offer, and then a call to action. In my case, I offer a free digital diagnostic, so when they click that, it will take them to a short form to fill out, as well as a way to schedule an appointment on my calendar. Below that, you'll see a little bit more background. I've given myself the handle Web Ninja. There's going to be a click to call button and a visit my website click, because a lot of people are visiting websites now on their mobile phones, so these are all mobile friendly pages. Again, a little overview about the business, and then for me, I have a link to some of my testimonials, as well as a feed that it puts one of my latest testimonials up. Below that, you'll see a link to all my tips, which is my blog, as well as the most recent blog post that I have. And lastly, in the center, I have a little 7-minute video that I posted. So there's quite a bit of information on this one page. Again, what problem the business might have that I can fix, and a little introduction to myself. So each business would get that, and that would be the way that you can then create a call that's going to generate business for you. If you want more information about this project or other ways to help use the internet to build your business, visit GetYourNettingGear.com. This is Susan, the Web Ninja.